Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This next tip is for teaching straw drinking. So this is for kids who haven't really understood intuitively how to drink out of an actual drinking straw. So there are ways to teach it to make it simple and easy. So one of the best ways to present straw drinking is to take a straw and to put it into a cup. Use your finger to block the top. So that way you are getting liquid into the straw so that you can lift it and present the straw horizontally into the mouth region. So you want a horizontal presentation because what you're doing is eliminating gravity. So that way you can just let go with your finger and allow the liquid to go into the mouth once the child puts their lips around the straw. So you're slowly allowing them to get a sense of how to really close their lips as well as start to get some liquid from the actual straw. So once you present it with gravity eliminated and the child is successful, you can then move towards making the task a little more challenging by putting it in an actual cup. Now when you do this, you don't want this long straw length. Instead, what you want to do is shorten the straw to make the task a bit easier, so that way there's less effort, so again, they can just get the hang of it. So you would take just a regular scissor and you would cut the straw so that it really is much shorter, so it's a lot less effort, and have them start drinking with really a shortened straw in small amounts, so that way they can build their success. Another way to teach it is to take a juice box that has a straw and to teach the child to do some gentle squeezing. And sometimes that's helpful and sometimes it doesn't really do the trick. So between the juice box trick and between using your gravity eliminated straw, which you're going to present again horizontally, and then slowly bringing it down vertically with the shortened straw, you may have some really good success. Remember, straw drinking is always better if someone is actually thirsty or has their favorite drink. So try to put something motivating into this as well to try to help a child really figure out how to do the lip closure piece and how to suck so that they can get more success with this task.